Imagine stepping into your bathroom and being greeted by a spa-like sanctuary. A place where functionality meets luxury, and every detail is designed for comfort and relaxation. This is the magic of a well-designed walk-in shower. It's more than just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of your bathroom experience. Whether you're dreaming of a modern oasis, a classic haven, or a space designed for ultimate accessibility, a walk-in shower can be the centerpiece of your home improvement project. In this video, we'll guide you through every step of the process, from planning and budgeting to choosing the perfect design and features for your needs. So, grab your notebook, get ready to be inspired, and let's turn your bathroom remodel dream into a reality. Planning your dream walk-in shower. Before diving into your home improvement project, a little planning goes a long way. So let's tackle the essential steps to ensure your walk-in shower is both beautiful and functional. Grab your measuring tape and get familiar with your bathroom space. Measure the length, width, and height of the area where you envision your walk-in shower. Don't forget to account for existing fixtures like toilets or vanities. Pro tip: sketch a basic floor plan of your bathroom, marking the measurements and potential shower location. This will be a handy reference throughout the planning process. Now let's talk about budgeting. While the cost of your walk-in shower will vary depending on size, materials, and features, here's a general breakdown. Materials: $500 to $2,500 for tiles, glass, flooring. Fixtures: $200 to $1,000 for shower head, faucet, drain. Professional installation: $1,000 to $3,000. Remember, these are just estimates. It's crucial to get quotes from licensed contractors in your area to get an accurate picture of your project's specific costs. Now comes the fun part. Decide on the layout and enclosure style for your walk-in shower. Popular options include corner showers, perfect for maximizing space in smaller bathrooms. Linear showers, create a sleek and modern look, often featuring frameless glass. Barrier-free showers, offer accessibility and a seamless transition from the bathroom floor. Browse online resources, home improvement magazines, or visit showrooms to gather inspiration and discover styles that match your taste and bathroom layout. When choosing materials for your shower floor and walls, prioritize both aesthetics and functionality. Consider opting for non-slip tiles, natural stone, or textured acrylic for safety and visual appeal. Explore options like waterproof paint, tiles, or even textured wallpaper to create your desired ambiance. Don't forget about the shower head and other fixtures. Rain shower heads provide a luxurious experience, while handheld options offer convenience. Consider features like multi-spray settings, thermostatic controls, and grab bars for added comfort and accessibility. Remember, planning is key to a successful and enjoyable home improvement project. By taking the time to measure your space, set a budget, and explore your design options, you'll be well on your way to creating your dream walk-in shower. Design and functionality, making your dream shower a reality. Step 1. Enclosure options. Choosing the right shower enclosure creates both visual impact and a sense of openness in your bathroom. Here are some popular options. Frameless glass offers a sleek and modern look, maximizing the feeling of spaciousness. However, it requires regular cleaning and can be more expensive. Price range: $1,000 to $3,000. Sliding doors provide a practical and affordable solution, especially in smaller bathrooms. Opt for frosted or patterned glass for added privacy. Price range: $200 to $800. Shower curtains offer the most budget-friendly option, but may not be as visually appealing as other choices. Consider water-resistant and mildew-resistant materials. Price range: $20 to $100. Remember, your chosen enclosure should complement your overall design aesthetic and function within your budget. Step 2. Flooring and walls. When selecting materials for your shower floor and walls, prioritizing both safety and style is crucial. Flooring: opt for non-slip materials like textured tiles, natural stone with a honed finish, or even textured acrylic to prevent slips and falls. Price range for materials: $5 to $50 per square foot. Walls: explore options like waterproof paint, ceramic or porcelain tiles, or even textured wallpaper for a unique touch. Ensure the chosen materials are designed for use in wet environments. Price range for materials: $2 to $20 per square foot. Keep in mind that larger tiles can make the space feel more expansive, while smaller tiles and contrasting grout lines can add visual interest.
Step 3. Shower head and fixtures. The shower head plays a significant role in your showering experience. Consider rainfall shower heads, which mimic the feeling of natural rain, offering a luxurious and spa-like experience. Price range: $50 to $500. Handheld shower heads provide flexibility and convenience, especially helpful for cleaning or assisting with mobility needs. Price range: $20 to $200. Multi-spray shower heads offer the best of both worlds, allowing you to switch between different spray patterns for a customized experience. Price range: $50 to $300. Remember to choose high-quality and water-efficient fixtures throughout your shower, including the shower head, faucet, and drain, to save money on water bills in the long run. Consider seeking professional help for installation, especially for complex plumbing work, to ensure proper functionality and safety. By carefully considering design and functionality, you can create a walk-in shower that is not only beautiful, but also meets your practical needs and enhances your home improvement project.
Additional features and tips: transforming your shower into a haven. While the foundation of your walk-in shower is set, don't forget the finishing touches that can truly elevate your experience. Maximize organization and minimize clutter with built-in shelves, niches, or caddies within your shower walls. These can easily hold your shampoo, soap, and other essentials, keeping the space clean and visually appealing. Proper lighting is crucial for safety and enhances the ambiance of your shower. Consider recessed lighting in the ceiling or LED strips along the walls for a bright and even glow. If possible, a skylight can introduce natural light, creating a spa-like atmosphere. Adding a built-in bench or shower seat can be a game changer, offering comfort and relaxation, especially if you enjoy extended showers or have mobility limitations. Choose a seat material that complements your overall design and is easy to clean. Creating a bathroom space that caters to everyone's needs is essential. Consider installing grab bars strategically within the shower for added stability and support. Additionally, a handheld shower head and a shower chair can further enhance accessibility for individuals with varying abilities. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Don't be afraid to personalize your walk-in shower with features that reflect your unique style and needs. By following these tips and incorporating your own creative vision, you can transform your walk-in shower into a beautiful and functional haven within your home. Remember, planning, budgeting, and attention to detail are key to a successful home improvement project. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and get ready to enjoy your dream walk-in shower. We hope this video has helped you navigate the exciting world of walk-in shower design for your home remodeling project in 2024. Remember, by planning, considering your budget, and choosing features that reflect your style and needs, you can create a space that is both functional and a true haven of relaxation. If you're looking for additional home improvement inspiration, stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the world of open floor plan design, pros and cons. We'll explore the benefits and challenges of creating an open floor plan and help you decide if it's the right choice for your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks.